the sugar trap. Unveiling the hidden culprit. We all know sugar isn't exactly a health food, but what if I told you there's a hidden ingredient lurking in your pantry that could be even worse? It's true. Many processed foods are loaded with sneaky ingredients that can wreak havoc on your metabolism. Today, we're going on a mission to uncover these hidden culprits and learn how to make healthier choices. Remember, this isn't about deprivation. It's about enjoying delicious food that loves you back. Starches not all created equal. Let's talk starches. Starches are types of carbohydrates found in foods like potatoes, rice, and bread. Our bodies break down these starches into glucose, which gives us energy. Sounds good, right? Well, here's the catch. Not all starches are created equal. Whole grains, legumes, and vegetables contain natural starches that come packaged with fiber and nutrients. These are the good guys. Processed carbs, a recipe for trouble. Now let's talk about the troublemakers, processed carbohydrates. These are the refined starches found in many packaged foods. Think white bread pastries, sugary cereals, and those tempting snacks that line supermarket shelves. These processed carbs have been stripped of their nutrients and fiber, leaving behind a fast-track ticket to a blood sugar roller coaster. This is where the problems begin. When you eat these refined starches, your blood sugar spikes rapidly. Your body then pumps out insulin to deal with the sugar overload. Over time, this constant blood sugar roller coaster can lead to insulin resistance, weight gain, and increase your risk of type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Outsmarting the label game, tips for healthier choices. So how do we navigate this processed food minefield? Knowledge is power. First, become a label detective. Don't be fooled by buzzwords like low-fat or sugar-free. Turn that package around and look at the ingredient list. Be on the lookout for sneaky sugars hiding under different names like high fructose corn syrup, dextrose, and maltose. And watch out for those sneaky starches like cornstarch and maltodextrin. Remember, ingredients are listed in order of quantity. If you see these culprits listed high up, it's time to put that product back on the shelf. Choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables bursting with flavor, hearty whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide long-lasting energy, essential nutrients, and keep your blood sugar stable. Cooking more meals at home allows you to control the ingredients and create delicious, healthy meals your whole family will love. Finally, remember that we're all in this together. Let's support each other in making healthier choices. Share your favorite healthy recipes, swap tips with friends, and celebrate your successes. It's important to remember that this is just a starting point. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian for personalized advice and guidance. Here's to a healthier, happier you.